444. Where is it? Where is it? Hi, welcome back to another exciting episode of Lane's Trains. Right, now for the shaky camera live action bit. So observe this train outside loop. I'm going to slow it down a wee bit. Train now on inside loop, going the other way. Okay. Now we'll just stop this a wee bit. So basically, it comes across there. Obviously, this is, even for me, this palaver here is temporary, so I could just see if it would work. Down here, and onto the inside loop. A little bit about this. I sat up here the other day and I confess I had had a wee bottle of wine or something. And I've never noticed in ages that there's a missing S there. And I was thinking about scrubbing this out. But I didn't draw it. My son drew it, I don't know, a couple of years ago. And he's not really interested in this up here, but he took a mad moment and he drew it. So I'm not going to rub it out, because it's a wee story. There's a cave with a coal miner and bats. Someone's had an accident. Some guys are shoving some coal along. There's somebody barking orders, I think. The coal's going into a coal train, which is the Flying Scotsman. Up above there's birds and a plane and stars and clouds. And over here we've got, a set of lights. A tunnel with squiggly bits on it. A piggy talking to a spooky looking tree. Which I don't know. I'll have to ask the artist. It might depict these piggies and that spooky tree. Here we have the V-Trains 37 with those 3D printed kit-built wagons. Let's unload them. A load in them. The load, incidentally, is just ballast. Same stuffs I used on down here, wherever it is. I don't really like the colour of it on the track. I don't know, it seems to come out awful light. So I used it in here, and I've not filled the whole thing up. I just got a bit of card, folded it, slightly oversized, and then folded it along the length. Cut a wee V shape either side so I could fold it down. I know it's not brilliant, but it works. And then PVA smeared on my fingers, sprinkle the stuff on, and shake off the excess. Jobs are good. Ooh. Look at this wee cheeky chappy. So this is a Royal Scot rebuilt. 20 quid. Non-runner. In a box. Look, the guy's even written non-runner and weight loose in tender. That wasn't hard to fix. The rest of it kind of was. Yes, I bought one of these before, in fact years ago. It's my first time I'd ever bought a steam engine, And it's a green one downstairs in a tub because it was horrendous. Suffered from the old split chassis syndrome of the wheels become unquartered because it's horrendous, right? I can't be bothered explaining it to you. This one didn't seem to suffer from that. It had a short circuit. I could tell because it wouldn't go, and if I put another train on the same bit of test track, it wouldn't go. So fiddled about, got rid of that, and it still wouldn't go. I just took it apart a few times. There was an absolutely mangled spring holding one of the brushes in. So I kind of replaced that with the previous non-working in a box one. So yeah, it's quite nice, I think. What do you think? Like the sort of detail on it. Separate handrails, nice clear printing, blah-de-blah-de-blah. There's even, whoa. What's that on the front? Like a bell. It's a wee bell on the front. See that? Yeah, and hang on. See if I can actually. Yeah, things on the front. I don't know what they are. I'm not a steam fanatic. And whistles and stuff. Yep, nice. I would be tempted to put a wee light firebox in there, but I'm not going to because it was horrendous enough to take apart. So screw that. So hope you enjoyed that video if you've bothered to watch it. Here's my Mallard with a firebox in it. If you did, usual, like, subscribe maybe, and share, comment. Yeah, comments. Always say comment. No music this time. Kind of fed up making this video, and I need to crack on and build something or do something with this mess here. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.